Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Behind me we've got a Samsung 83-inch S90C QD-OLED that we just mounted on the MantelMount MM815. Go ahead and stay tuned after the intro so you can see what we got. All right, guys, forgive the background noise. I've got kids running around and the landscapers are outside mowing the lawn. So just want to give you a quick overview of what we just did here. We've got the Samsung 83-inch S90C, the flagship QD OLED from Samsung. We've got a Sonos Arc mounted right below it. And I'm sure you're wondering what the little itty bitty piece there sticking out, that's the heat sensor, so that it'll change colors if it gets too hot from the fireplace. They do intend on using the fireplace, so wanted to make sure that they can either turn off the fire or have the TV raised in the event that it gets too warm. So we've got the TV. We're going to show you how to use it. Now, if you we've already got presets set, but by default you can hit run and up, run and down, and it'll bring you back to the down position or the home position. We have presets for side rotation as well. So if we want to hit run and one, it will be a little more deliberate about it. Run one, it's going to bring it down and rotate it to the kitchen area here. So we'll come up so you can see. So over here, we've got the kitchen table so they can actually watch it from the perfect height here. And it's going to rotate as well. So we're going to go ahead and rotate it back to the home position here, or to the center position. So we just sit it down and hold it. Show you the back of the TV here. So you can see you've got to tie this cable up, but we've got everything on the other side here. The customer is gonna have the covers painted as well to match the paint. They just had this whole thing painted. So we did surface mount this because right behind this there is brick. So reframing this was just more than the customer wanted to do, and they were okay with the aesthetic of it being a few inches off the wall. So we had to move the wall plates over. They were actually right in the center of the wall, which is where the arm is. So we actually moved everything over. Let me come around and see if we can see here. So we moved these over from behind there and moved them over so they'd be perfect behind the TV. So to the side of the bracket, so that there's no issue with the arm. So if we hit run and up, it's going to bring it back up to the home position. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in a system like this and you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, please call us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. If you're interested in MantelMount, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and we can help you figure out which is the right product and get you set up. Number is 972-905-0556. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.